In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram story in Canva. By the end, you'll have a polished vertical design that's ready to post using Canva's built-in templates and simple editing tools. Open Canva on your computer or mobile device, and once you're on the home screen, we'll begin. Start by heading to the Templates area. This is the fastest way to get a professionally designed starting point without building everything from scratch. You'll see a wide range of categories here, but we'll narrow it down in the next step. In the search bar at the top of the Templates page, type Instagram Story. This tells Canva to show layouts built for the Instagram Story format, which is a vertical 1080 by 1920 size. Using the correct size right away helps your text and images fit perfectly on screen without awkward cropping later. Now, take a moment to browse through the template results. Scroll to get a feel for different styles: minimal, bold, playful, or elegant. Look at the color palettes, font pairings, and how much text each design holds. You can hover to preview multi-page sets, and you can also skim labels to see which options are free. Pick something that matches your message and mood. It's often easier to adjust colors and words than to force a design that doesn't fit your content. Once you've found a template you like, click Customize this template. Canva will open it in the editor as your own editable design. This creates a copy that you can adjust freely without changing the original. With the template open, begin editing the elements to make it yours. Double-click any text to rewrite your headline, subheading, or call to action. If your message is short, consider increasing the font size or tightening the line spacing so it fills the space nicely. Try a different font from the toolbar if you need a bolder or more refined look, and update colors to align with your brand or theme. To swap images, select a photo and replace it with your own upload, or drag a new photo from Canva's library directly onto the frame to auto-replace it. Move elements by clicking and dragging. Use position tools to center or layer items cleanly, and keep important text away from the very edges so it stays readable on all screens. If you want a bit more motion, select an element and choose a subtle animation, keeping it minimal so your message remains clear. As you work, remember that Canva saves changes automatically. That's it. Open Templates, search Instagram Story, browse, customize the template, and edit until it fits your style. Take a final look for balance and readability, and you're done.